Hey everyone, Adnan here, and I'm genuinely excited to welcome you to a brand new challenge. One that's a little bit wild, a little bit risky, and a whole lot of fun. If you've ever wondered whether it's possible to take a small amount of money and turn it into something much bigger, you're in the right place. Today, we're kicking off an experiment that's all about pushing boundaries, testing strategies, and seeing just how far determination and a bit of know-how can take us in the world of crypto trading. So what's the plan? Well, I'm about to attempt something that might sound a little bit crazy to some of you. I'm going to try to turn $100 into $1,000 in just 30 days, trading only cryptocurrencies. That's right, no outside help, no shortcuts, and definitely no magic tricks. Just me, my laptop, and the open market. Now, you might be thinking, is that even possible? Honestly, I don't know. That's what makes this so exciting. The crypto market is known for its volatility. Prices can swing wildly in a matter of minutes. That means there's potential for big gains, but also big losses. I'm not here to promise you overnight riches or guarantee success. Instead, I want to show you the real process, the ups and downs and everything in between. This is going to be a transparent journey. I'll share every trade I make, every decision and every lesson learned, whether it's a win or a loss. My goal isn't just to hit that $1,000 mark, but to help you understand the mindset, the discipline, and the strategies that go into trading. I want you to see that you don't need fancy algorithms, secret groups, or expensive courses to get started. All you need is a willingness to learn, a bit of patience, and the courage to take calculated risks. Throughout this challenge, I'll be breaking down my approach step by step. We'll talk about how to spot opportunities, manage risk, and avoid common pitfalls that trip up new traders. I'll show you how I research coins, set up trades, and track my progress. And if I make mistakes, and I probably will, I'll be honest about them, so we can all learn together. Think of me as your guide on this adventure. I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice. It's an experiment, a learning experience, and hopefully, a bit of inspiration for anyone who's ever thought about dipping their toes into the world of crypto. I'll be here every step of the way, sharing insights, answering your questions, and cheering you on if you decide to join in. We're in this together. There will be moments of excitement when things go our way, and there will be setbacks when the market turns against us. That's all part of the journey. The important thing is that we keep learning, keep adapting, and never lose sight of the bigger picture. Whether we hit that $1,000 goal or not, the real value is in the experience and the knowledge we gain along the way. So, are you ready to see what's possible? Can we really turn $100 into $1,000 in just 30 days? There's only one way to find out. Grab your notebook, buckle up, and let's dive into this challenge together. No matter what happens, we're going to learn, grow, and maybe even surprise ourselves along the way. Let's get started and see if we can make the impossible possible. The journey begins now. Before we dive into the world of crypto trading, let's lay down the ground rules. These aren't just guidelines, they're the foundation for everything we're about to do. I want to be completely upfront with you, so you know exactly what to expect and how I'm approaching this challenge. Transparency and honesty are at the heart of this journey, and I want you to see every step, every decision, and every outcome, no matter what. The very first rule is simple. We're starting with just $100. That's it. No secret stash, no extra funds waiting in the wings. This is my entire bankroll for this experiment. I want to show you that you don't need a massive amount of money to get started in crypto trading. It's about making the most of what you have, no matter how small that amount might seem. This is real money, and every dollar counts. The goal here isn't to make wild promises or chase overnight riches. Instead, I want to prove that with discipline, patience, and the right strategy, you can grow your money, even if you're starting with a modest sum. This challenge is about showing that anyone, regardless of their starting point, can take control of their financial future. It's not about luck or gambling. It's about smart, calculated moves. Now let's talk about how we're going to trade. Rule number 2, absolutely no day trading craziness. I know it's tempting to jump in and out of trades all day, chasing quick profits, but that's not what we're doing here. Day trading can be stressful, risky, and honestly, it's just not realistic for most people, especially if you have a job, school, or other responsibilities. Instead, we're focusing on swing trades. That means holding positions for days or even weeks, waiting for the right opportunities to come to us. This approach is all about being patient and letting the market work in our favor. It's a slower, steadier way to trade, and it fits perfectly with busy lives. You don't have to be glued to your screen all day, and you can avoid the emotional roller coaster that comes with rapid-fire trading. Why swing trading? Because it's realistic for most people. Whether you're working a 9-to-5, studying, or managing a family, you can still participate in the market without sacrificing your sanity. This method reduces stress, helps you make better decisions, and gives you time to analyze your moves. It's about making trading fit your life, not the other way around. And finally, the third rule: total transparency. I'm putting everything out in the open. Every trade I make, whether it's a win or a loss, will be shared with you. You'll see my thought process, my reasoning, and the results, good or bad. There's no hiding, no cherry-picking, and no pretending. This is about learning together, celebrating the wins, and understanding the losses. To make it even easier for you to follow along, I'm sharing my entire trading journal. You can download it, review every trade, and track my progress in real time. This way, you can see exactly how I'm managing my money, what strategies I'm using, and how I'm adapting to the market. My goal is to make this as open and educational as possible, so you can learn from my successes and my mistakes. Let's get started together. Now, let's talk tools. I'm using Binance, one of the most popular crypto exchanges. It's user-friendly and has all the coins we need. For charts, I'm keeping it classic with TradingView. We'll mainly use two indicators, RSI and MACD. Don't worry, I'll explain them as we go. The goal is to make trading as simple as possible. No need to overcomplicate things with a million tools. For this challenge, I'm focusing on 3 coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Why these 3? Bitcoin is the king, and its price movements often influence the entire market. Ethereum is the platform for decentralized applications, and its potential is huge. Solana is a newer player, but it's fast and gaining popularity. Remember, these are just my picks. Do your own research and choose coins you believe in. Now, let's get technical, just a little. We'll use RSI and MACD to spot potential buying opportunities. RSI tells us if a coin is overbought or oversold. MACD helps us identify trends and reversals. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step in the trades. The key is to buy low and sell high, right? These indicators will be our secret weapons. Alright, time for our first trade. I'm eyeing Solana. It's showing some bullish signs on the chart. The RSI is below 30, suggesting it might be oversold. The MACD is about to cross above its signal line, indicating a potential uptrend. I'm buying a small amount of Solana with a stop loss below the recent low and a take profit target at the next resistance level. Let's see what happens. So, how did we do? Solana's price moved up slightly, and we're currently in profit. It's a small win, but a win nonetheless. Remember, this is a long game. We're not trying to get rich quick. We're learning, growing, and hopefully making some money along the way. Today's lesson: trust the process, be patient, and manage your risk. And that wraps up day 1 of our ambitious $1,000 trading challenge. If you've made it this far, congratulations. You're already ahead of the curve. Today was just the beginning, and I hope you're as energized as I am to see where this journey takes us. Remember, every great achievement starts with a single step, and you've just taken yours. Whether you're a seasoned trader or brand new to the world of crypto, this challenge is designed to help you learn, grow, and maybe even surprise yourself with what you can accomplish. To make sure you don't miss a single update, go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. YouTube's algorithm can be tricky, and I don't want you to miss out on any of the next 29 days. Each day, I'll be sharing my trades, strategies, and the lessons I learn along the way. You'll get to see the wins, the losses, and everything in between. This is a real, unfiltered look at what it takes to grow a trading account from scratch, and I want you to be part of every moment. If you want to follow along more closely, I've made my personal trading journal available for download. You'll find the link in the description below. This journal is the exact one I use to track every trade, every decision, and every result. It's a powerful tool for staying organized and learning from both your successes and your mistakes. By using it, you'll be able to document your own trades, analyze your performance, and spot patterns that can help you improve over time. Plus, it's a great way to hold yourself accountable and stay motivated throughout the challenge. I encourage you to not just watch, but to actively participate. Open up your own trading journal, analyze the charts, and make your own decisions alongside me. Share your progress in the comments or on social media using our challenge hashtag. Let's build a community of traders who support and learn from each other. The more you engage, the more you'll get out of this experience. Remember, trading is as much about mindset and discipline as it is about numbers and charts. By tracking your journey, you'll develop habits that can serve you well beyond these 30 days. We've got a long road ahead, and there will be ups and downs, but I'm genuinely excited to see what we can achieve together. Every day is a new opportunity to learn, grow, and move